Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you how to multiply decimals. Step 1. Look at the number that you have. I have 2.55 and 2.1. Now you're going to add with the number 1, the ones place with all the other numbers to get this. And then you move on to the 2s, the tens place. But it's technically 2, so 20, so you take out that. So you add a 0 here. Then you and then you add these together. But then you gotta add the decimals in. So then you look at these two numbers and this number. They're both behind the decimals. So you're gonna add these two numbers together. 1, 2, 3. So it's 3. You gotta do this in the third place. 1, 2, 3. And that is your answer. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video.